The heck?
Where is this supposed to go?
That's not good. I think I may need a plumber.
Oh, come on. Oh, it's like spraying right in my face.
Maybe I shouldn't try and do this. So glad this isn't happening at my house.
I gotta be honest, I've never seen a toilet like this before.
Yeah, I can't do this. This is crazy.
Yeah, I'm gonna need a plumber.
I think I need a plumber.
I don't know what I think I'm gonna do with these.
I definitely need a plumber.
Not really.
So far, you can tell that the toilet is running. Let's see what's going on. Oh man. Let's just shut the water off first. Well, the flush tower, this is what controls the water going into the bowl of the toilet itself. This is loose. This needs to be reattached here. And the fill valve that supplies the water to the tank, it looks like it can be reattached. As far as this goes, I think this is just gonna click back in here. Things nice and snug. Not too tight, not too loose. Looks good. Okay, turn the water back on. Looks like we're getting good flow as far as the filling goes. Buttons seem to be in working order. Just gonna check for some leaks. Seems okay. Just gotta make sure it shuts off. Fill valve's working properly. Turn last flush.